If you have a house in Swanton, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perchin, and for over 14 years, myself and my team has been buying houses in and around Swanton, Ohio. And the reason people like working with us is we're going to keep it very simple for you, the seller. We're a true as-is buyer. Now, what that means is we don't require any repairs to be made. We're going to buy the house as it sits, as it is, so you don't need to fix anything. You don't need to clean anything. You don't need to haul anything away. And we're a true cash buyer. So what that means is we're not relying on some lender or mortgage company or some type of third party to approve our purchase. That's what you get when you're working with these traditional buyers. And oftentimes the traditional buyers, they're driving around with the real estate agent. They might expect you to pay a commission. And then when they're using their mortgage company, the mortgage company is going to send through a formal appraiser. And now there's going to be repairs that more than likely need to be made because the bank's not willing to fund the deal. Mortgage company lenders not willing to fund it and provide the money unless this, and this gets done. And now you're back to the negotiating table. Who's going to pay for it? It could be a nightmare. Most people prefer to just work with a professional company who's going to buy the property in its as-is condition for cash and give you a fair price. That's exactly what we do. So when you get on the phone with us, you can give us a call at 614-300-5151. But when you call us, we're going to give you, we just need to know more information about the house and know more information about your timeline. And that's important. It's often overlooked, but we're able to close on your timeline. When you're working with these traditional buyers, you're closing on the lender's timeline. With us, there is no lender. We can close on your timeline, but when you call us, it's a very easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about when you want to close and what your timeline is. From there, we're going to make you a fair cash offer on your Swanton home. If it works, great, we'll move forward and we're going to communicate with you effectively the entire process. If our offer does not work for you, that's okay too. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. There's no added pressure. There's never going to be, some added fake urgency, wasting your time. We're going to treat you like a neighbor because we're locals. We love Ohio. This is not some call center located in some distant land and, wasting your time. We're going to treat you fair, and you could give us a call, at least find out what your options are. And you can call us at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website, but we're all over Swanton, we're all over Toledo, and we're all over the great state of Ohio. So our phone number, once again, is 614-300-5151, and our website, sellhousecolumbus.com. You can hop online, fill out a little form, and we'll hop on the call with you. Keep it easy, simple, and fair. And my name is Dave Perchin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.